As our world becomes increasingly interconnected, the demand for innovative, accessible, and efficient medical solutions has never been greater. Medical professionals are seeking cutting-edge technologies that provide accurate diagnosis, streamline workflows, and enhance convenience for both doctors and patients, all while maintaining high standards of care. It is in response to these global medical trends that CHISON has developed a groundbreaking collection SonoFamiliy. The core value, ReThink, ReDefine, ReBuild, and ReEducate the future of ultrasound, is embodied in this revolutionary collection of ultrasound system. The emergence of CHISON SonoFamiliy, comprising of SonoMax, SonoAir, and SonoEye, will transform the global ultrasound landscape, providing more advanced, more intelligent, and comprehensive imaging solutions for medical professionals and patients alike. In medicine, the eye symbolizes the ability to see, understand, and diagnose with clarity. SonoEye, our handheld ultrasound system, brings this vision to life. Lighter than a smartphone, revolutionizes the diagnostic process, increases efficiency in a wide range of clinical applications, making it an invaluable tool for both doctors and patients. Empowering doctors with a portable stethoscope for crystal-clear imaging, SonoEye is an unstoppable trend in the future medical system. Air, the invisible yet vital force surrounding us, is essential to human life. Just as air represents freedom and agility, SonoAir CHISON portable ultrasound system delivers these qualities in abundance. Being the world's lightest and thinnest laptop ultrasound, SonoAir is flexible to move effortlessly and essential in every practice for healthcare professionals. Combining lightness with unparalleled performance, SonoAir is the result of decades of expertise in structure, algorithms, probes, and materials. Designed to minimize fatigue and maximize efficiency, SonoAir's intelligent human-machine interaction makes it the ideal partner for medical professionals on the move. In the dictionary, the word max signifies the highest level of achievement. SonoMax embodies this essence. Its max is reflected not only on its elegance, its intelligence, but also in its performance. As another member of SonoFamiliy, SonoMax premium performance and ergonomics design, showing a perfect combination of CHISON's cutting-edge ultrasound technology and customer-centric mindset. Powered by the latest SuperMax platform, made for the needs of versatile applications in GP, cardiology, and women's health. Eliminate complexity and achieve greater efficiency and precision in your imaging procedures, allowing you to focus on delivering the best possible care to your patients. SonoMax is the ultimate solution for the most demanding medical applications. CHISON is always committed to delivering the best ultrasound technology to the world. As we embark on this revolutionary journey, we look forward to unveiling even more exciting innovations in the field of ultrasound. The revolution is just begun. Together with SonoFamiliy, let us anticipate an exciting and transformative future in medical imaging.